we meet again for some more woodworking projects. We're pretty excited to share this with you, so stay with us for a while. This guy's talent is revealed in these projects for sure. This has got to be one of the most romantic and creative ways to propose to your soulmate. A foldable shoe shelf is always a good idea. Isn't it amazing how all of what we've seen so far were gifts for the people around him? He makes sure to put a smile in those people's faces. Everyone would feel lucky to receive a well-thought and well-made DIY gift. These guys are so lucky for having him in their lives. Peep their reactions when they receive these gifts. Would you react the same way? He's definitely taking woodworking on another level with these kitchen gadget ideas. This crossbody handbag is absolutely stunning. This jewelry organizer is out of this world. He's making practical and useful items that also look good. Now that's an easy way to fold dumplings. Kudos to this guy for thinking of others. Hope you enjoyed the video.